Hello YouTube, this is your host Mirza. Today I came with a video tutorial in which I am going to show you that how you can get your Upwork profile approved. So if you guys are facing a problem which is commonly known as like Upwork profile getting denied. So what is the reason of Upwork profile being denied? Because there is a lot of competitions in most of the fields in Upwork, so your application is not possible to beat the other competitors. Okay, so today I'm going to show you that how you can get your Upwork profile approved. So this is an Upwork profile, and as you can see that this message, your profile was not accepted. This appears when one time you already applied for the approval of your profile, but they denied it for some factors. Okay, so what are the major changes can make your profile approved? So what you need to do is, first you need to go to the settings. After going to the settings, you need to change some of the information over here. So basically, first you will go to the password and security. After going to the password and security, first you need to edit your security question. So I'll put the security question over here. And now you need to choose a new security questions. This is the security question you will choose, and you will type the answer this and save. Okay, the security question has been changed now. Now you need to go to contact info. My profile. On my profile you need to edit this to 20 and click save, and you need to edit this as well. Now you need to remove this. Experience. Okay, now you need to edit your skills. Click save and remove. You don't need to show your educations. Edit your English fluent and remove this and click save. Okay, added the pay to 20 and click save. This and this is done. Okay, game development, that's all. Let's check the settings once again. I guess that's fine. I'll just go to the profile and I'll click on resubmit the profile. Okay, as you can see that my profile has been accepted and I am hired as a freelancer on Upwork. So guys, now you can see that you have 20 points and you can apply here whatever you like. Okay, so that's all from my side. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.